Let's start meeting in her long gown, Miss Puerto Rico.
You can keep the lights on, we can keep tonight going, but we'll still be falling apart.
In her bloody red gown with silver lining.
I think Miss Puerto Rico is pregnant.
Miss Puerto Rico is 31 years old. She's 5 feet 5 inches tall and weighs 125 pounds. Her measurements are 34, 26, 34, 82, 97, and 4.
Ano yun?
Equals 308, ladies and gentlemen.
You can keep the lights on,
That's candidate number 1, Miss Puerto Rico. Palakpakan naman tayo, everyone. Cashier. After Miss Puerto Rico, let's now move on to candidate number 2, Miss Nepal. After the fiery red gown of candidate number 1, we have the color of the deep blue sea. Candidate number 2, Miss Nepal, is 21 years old, 10 years ago. Stands 5 feet 9 inches tall and tipped the scale of 110 pounds. Her figure is 35, 28, 36.782 to be exact. Oh, can you see the walk, ladies and gentlemen? Looks like candidate number 2 is very, very tired.
Oh, what a pretty face. Candidate number 2.
Yeah, what a pretty face and very muscular body.
Yes, even she's tired, she can still wave and smile.
Correct. And the armpit, of course, the armpit. It explains all the tragedies.
Yeah.
The armpit speaks for itself. One more wave, candidate. Miss Nepal, one more wave. Ooh,
Higher, higher.
Higher?
Higher.
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 There. Thank you, Miss Nepal.
Careful.
Let's now move on to candidate number 3. Oh. Miss Venezuela. Oh, such a pity. Come on.
Miss Venezuela. Oh, I love her gown.
Oh, I think the gown looks better without the candidate. Beautiful gown.
Miss Margaret Sarauchi.
Correct? Alam mo may kulang dyan sa gown na yan.
Ano kulang?
God bless our trip.
When hulas knows
Yaking Cavite ang butch.
and even her face is also very fierce, ha?
Miss Venezuela weighs, is 25 years old, 5 feet 4 inches tall, 150 pounds, measures 34, 25, 36, with 2 wins, 3 losses, and 5 knockouts. Can you just imagine the smile?
And now she's joining a beauty pageant. Oh my goodness.
Wow!
Imagine.
And she keeps on saying thank you. Are you Sira Ulo? You haven't won any. Thank you so much. That's candidate number 3, Miss Venezuela. Beautiful gown. Number 1, ladies and gentlemen, our 4th candidate is Miss Egypt. Ang ganda rin ng gown. I love her gown. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 4 is 25 years old. I repeat, 25 years old.
Are you sure about that?
Again, 25 years old.
Wait, patay.
5 feet, 5 inches tall, and weighs 135 pounds. Her figure, of course, the very figure measures 34, 24, 34, vapor. A purple hat.
It looks like a carton. An elegant carton. In a deep palace.
That's candidate number 4.
With a super big boobs.
Yes. Ana Tolentino. Ana Tolentino.
Very proportional to her body.
And finally, as much as we would like to cut this short, we still have our 5th candidate. Candidate number 5 is Miss Philippines.
Oh, happy Halloween!
Oh,
Happy Halloween!
it's nice to be joined by, of course, none other than
Oh, there's an element of surprise, Maki! Miss Philippines!
Miss Philippines is wearing a very old gown, ladies and gentlemen. It used to be white, now it's dirty white.
And it smells like professional closet.
Correct. Candidate number 5, remove the ribbons that says alaala ng mga naulila. A coffin colored gown.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful gown.
Thank you so much, Miss Philippines. Wala na akong maisip. Oh, beautiful. Once again, let's call back all our candidates. Miss Philippines, candidate number 5. Candidate number 4, Miss Ichi. And of course, candidate number 3, the lollipop lady, Miss Venezuela. Followed by the very muscular candidate number 2, Miss Nepal. And of course, the very full candidate number 1, Miss Puerto Rico.
Oh, they're still walking and judiciously smiling and saying thank you to everyone. Oh, she's still walking, she's posing and smiling again. And she's smiling and saying thank you to the judges. Thank you again. What the fuck? She's saying thank you over and over again.
I think she's crazy.
She's crazy. Oh,
And this time we have the very muscular Miss Nepal.
the masculine candidate by beautiful ladies.
Correct. With pili-pili eyeshadow.